Hello everyone, in this video I'll be exploring Pablo Picasso's The Old Guitarist, one of his most haunting and emotional masterpieces. We'll look into how Picasso's personal grief and the social conditions of early 90s Spain shaped this artwork, and how it reflects the contextual plane in art analysis. Part 1. Introduction the artwork. The Old Guitarist was painted in 1903. During Picasso's the famous Blue Period, this was a time when the artist was deeply affected by sadness, loneliness, and poverty. The dominant blue tones symbolize melancholy and despair, emotions that mirrored Picasso's own life after the death of the close friend Carlos Casagemas. The painting shows an old blind man hunched over his guitar, lost in music. His then fragile body and tired expression seems to speak of both suffering and resilience. Part 2. Picasso's personal grief and the mood of the painting. Picasso's personal grief is the emotional core of this artwork. After losing his friend, he entered a period deep depression, and this sadness poured into his art. The old guitarist represents not only poverty and blindness, but also emotional blindness, the inability to see joy or hope in life. The blue color palette captures Picasso's mourning and emotional isolation. Through the old man, Picasso expressed his empathy for the poor and forgotten, the perhaps his own feelings of loss and emptiness. Part 3. Socio-political reflection of early 90s Spain. The early 90s in Spain were marked by economic hardship and political unrest. Many artists, including Picasso, witnessed the struggle of the lower class firsthand. The old guitarist dressed in rich cloth reflect that social reality, the suffering of the poor and the neglect and the vulnerable. Through, through this figure, Picasso gives the voice to the who were silenced by poverty. The guitar, the only warm brown tune in the painting, symbolize art and music as the last refuge for the human soul. Part 4. Contextual plane in art analysis. The old guitarist is a strong example of the contextual plane in analysis. The contextual plane means understanding how historical, personal, and cultural factors influence a, a work of art. Picasso's meaning cannot be understood by visual alone. It requires knowing his emotion state, his experience with grief, and the world around him. The combination of his personal plane and the brush social conditions of Spain give his painting its deep emotional meaning. In the end, the old guitarist is more than a portrait of a man. It's mirror of human suffering, empathy, and endurance. Through color, form, and emotion, Picasso reminds us how art can express both personal loss and universal struggle.